little less conversation, a little more action, please. All this aggravation ain't satisfaction in me. A little more bite, a little less fun, a little less fight, a little more spark. Close your mouth and open up your heart and baby satisfy me. Satisfy me, baby.
That you are brilliant, driven, major pain in the ass, and obsessed with a field of study that he considers tantamount to professional suicide.
Baby, close your eyes and listen to the music, dig to the summer breeze. It's a grooving night and I can show you how to use it. And come along with me and put your mind at ease. A little less conversation, a little more action. All this aggravation ain't satisfaction in me. A little more fight, a little less fun, a little less fight, a little more spark. Close your mouth and open up your heart and baby satisfy me. Satisfy me, baby. Come on, baby, I'm tired of talking. Grab your coat and let's start walking. Come on, come on. Come on, come on. Come on, come on.
We must confess that your proposal seems less like science and more like science fiction.
Here's something really nutty. I heard of a couple guys that want to build something called an airplane. You know, you get people to go in it and they fly around like birds. It's ridiculous, right? Or what about breaking the sound barrier, or rockets to the moon, or atomic energy, or a mission to Mars? Science fiction, right? Look, all I'm asking is for you to just have the tiniest bit of vision, you know, to step back for 1 minute and look at the big picture. To take a chance on something that just might end up being the most profoundly impactful moment for humanity, for the history of history.
All right. Yeah. Well, now, I must admit, I can't explain any of these thoughts racing through my brain. It's true. Baby, I'm howling for you. All right. There's something wrong with this plot. The actors here have not got a clue. Baby, I'm howling for you. Da 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 da.
I wish the world was a place where fair was the bottom line, where the kind of idealism you showed at the hearing was rewarded, not taken advantage of. Unfortunately, we don't live in that world.
Funny. I've always believed that the world is what we make of it.
Swing and miss and catch us mid-strike too. Baby, I'm howling for you.
You're wasting your time. In the meantime, you won't be published, you won't be taken seriously, and your career will be over before it's begun.
So what? It's my life.
I fly like paper, get high like planes. If you catch me at the border, I got visas in my name. If you come around here, I'll make them all day. I get one down in a second if you wait. I fly like paper, get high like planes. If you catch me at the border, I got visas in my name. If you come around here, I'll make them all day. I get one down in a second if you wait. Sometimes I think sitting on trains. Every step I get to, I'm clocking that game. Everyone's a winner, we're making our fame. Bonafide hustler, making my name. Sometimes I think sitting on trains. Every step I get to, I'm clocking that game. Everyone's a winner, we're making our fame. Bonafide hustler, making my name.
Consortium sources say the cost of the project is spiraling to more than $1/3 trillion, making this what may be the most expensive single project in all of human history.
Democracy. Yeah, I got more records in the KGB.
Elie, you personally. Now, by doing this, you're willing to give your life. You're willing to die for it.
Want to take a ride?
Initiating spin.